Let's go with my top 5 golden rules for affiliate marketing. Now, this might sound really simple, but if you follow these, it's going to make a difference. So let's roll and let's go. Let's start it up right now. Hey, welcome back everybody. It is Paul Motley here with another video teaching you how to get your affiliate marketing business up and running and of course earning that valuable passive income. So we're going to start out with 5 golden rules for affiliate marketing. We're going to start out with my 5th one and work all the way down to my 1st one. And I was just going to do the 5, but to be honest with you, there is a few more, so I'm going to drop those at the end of the video. So make sure that you do stick around and watch every single piece of it. And of course, as always, if this is your first time watching, then please drop a subscribe, hit the notification bell, and a like and a comment is always cool. So make sure you do that too, so that make sure we can get as many people to see this video as possible. But without further ado, let's hit it up with number 1. So when just starting out with affiliate marketing, let's say you've already joined the affiliate networks, you've picked out some offers and you are ready to get going. The worst thing you could ever do is start spamming those links out. And what I'm talking about is just posting them in Facebook groups, posting them all over Instagram, posting them to your friends via WhatsApp or anything else like that. Literally, do not do that. People will hate you for it. You will end up getting banned off the affiliate network and your experience with affiliate marketing will be worthless. So no spam, that's number 1. Number 2, we want to be collecting emails. Okay, right, so why do we do this? Because collecting emails yourself means you build up an asset going forward, which is super cool because of course, if you've got one offer, let's say you're doing something which is a program about a YouTube software or a YouTube course, then further down the line, if something else related to YouTube comes out and you can be an affiliate of it, you already have a list of people that have expressed an interest in YouTube, for example. You can then email them and tell them about this new offer. Number 3, okay, we use a bridge page. Right now, if you don't know what a bridge page is, it is literally one page in front of the offer so that you can send people to your page rather than sending them directly to the offer page. And of course, on that offer page there, on the bridge page, sorry, you can collect the emails, but more importantly, give people a reason to go ahead and buy the affiliate product in itself. Now, this does require a little bit more explanation, so I'm just going to go through that, and if you haven't seen anything like this before, I'm just going to pop a little card on this video so that you can go ahead and watch bridge page training video that I've done previously so you know exactly what I'm talking about. But in a nutshell, we use a bridge page, we explain the product, we explain what it's going to do for that person, explain why they need it, and of course, if you've got some testimonials there of people that have worked with you before, that's a great place to put them. But also to make sure that people are that interested, have some bonuses. So tell them if they opt in and buy, you're going to send them out some cool bonuses, which is going to accelerate their learning or accelerate how quickly they can get that problem solved that buying that product or service is going to do for them. Number 4, okay, organic versus paid. So what are we talking about with that? Well, speed loves money. So of course, if you do have money to invest in paid ads, then that is the way to go to start with. However, I always try and say to people, if you are making less than $1,000 a month on your affiliate marketing business, do not get into paid just yet. You can always reinvest that money into paid ads to scale up. So originally you want to start out with organic marketing, and that is attracting people through your social networks like Facebook or even like Instagram. TikTok's another good one as well. YouTube, fantastic. There is a whole bunch of stuff and different sites that you can use to attract on organic marketing, and I'm pretty sure there's about 100,000 videos talking about organic marketing versus paid as well. But that is rule number 4. Rule number 5, do not get too emotional. Just because a product works then is not necessarily going to be working out later on. Prime example, last year I was actually able to crush it with one affiliate offer, but later on in the year it kind of tailed off. Now, if that was all I was promoting, I would have been in some serious trouble because my income would have gone down to a big fat 0. That's right. So do not be too emotional about offers. Make sure you do have several streams of income. So therefore, it's always a good idea to have a couple or 3 or 4 or possibly even up to 5 different affiliate programs that you're able to promote at any one time. So if 1 or 2 of them do end up dropping out, you're not going to be left with that 0. Now, I did promise you some extras on the end of it, so it sounds like a good time for me just to remind you to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment with your thoughts so far, and also hit a like. That way we can make sure more people see this video going forward. So what is number 6? Well, number 6 is always be split testing, right? So if you have a bridge page, now you are in control of your traffic. And of course, by creating split tests, you can increase your conversion rates. Now, one of my most recent videos actually had that in there, and I'm going to illustrate that. Somewhere around this video, you're going to be able to see a link to go and watch that about increasing your conversion rates to make more commissions. So always be split testing. It almost goes without saying, but not many people are doing it. So make sure that you do to maximize your results. And finally, so this is going to be rule 7. Yeah, rule 7. This is kind of like a bit of a mindset thing. Don't think that just because someone else has been successful with an offer automatically entitles you to be successful, right? There are 1,000,001 things that could get in the way of your progress. So I always recommend getting some form of coaching, or maybe even look at some sort of mentoring to make sure that you are going down the right path and not wasting your time. Okay, so I've had this many times myself. I thought I knew it all. I was trying to do everything on my own, and ultimately I failed. It was only really when I got coaching and mentoring myself, then that is when things made a massive difference for me. So just remember, those coaching options are probably out there, but do be kind of picky on who you pick. So you want to go for people that have seen success, and not people that haven't seen success. It might sound really basic, but I'll give you another example as well. A few years back, I was looking at winning the ClickFunnels Dream Car Award, and what I found was that if I tried to do it on my own, I wasn't going to be very successful. So what I did was I went and saw what all the other ClickFunnels Dream Car winners were doing and reached out to a couple of them and managed to get some coaching, which ultimately resulted in me actually winning the ClickFunnels Dream Car Award back in June or July 2019. So there is a point of reckoning. And I hope this video has been useful, and if you did like it, by all means, like I said, drop subscribe and all that good stuff. But of course, I put some videos here so you can carry on learning if you want to on my channel, and hopefully these videos are going to make a real big difference to you this year, next year, and the years in front of us. And for now, that's me. I'm out. I'll catch you soon.